India to allow private players to build and operate rocket launch sites. India has decided to allow private companies to establish and operate rocket launch sites within and outside the country, subject to prior authorization from the government. Any rocket launch from Indian or overseas territory can be carried out only with authorization from the Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Centre, an independent body constituted by the Government of India under Department of Space. Bharti Airtel and Tata Group team up for Made in India 5G network solutions. Bharti Airtel and Tata Group announced a strategic partnership for implementing 5G network solutions for India. These Made in India 5G products and solutions are aligned to global standards and interoperate with other products based on standard open interfaces and those defined by Open Radio Access Network Alliance. Intel to work with India's Reliance Jio on 5G network technology. Intel's venture capital unit last year invested $250 million in Reliance Industries' Jio platform unit. Intel said that it will work on co-innovations with Reliance Jio for its 5G radio access network, among the other things. Facebook rolls out Shops on WhatsApp. Facebook announces the next stage of its e-commerce push, including Shops on WhatsApp and visual search. Shops on WhatsApp will enable businesses to present their entire shop within the messaging app, giving users another way to find relevant products and connect with their businesses for more information. Parliament panel to summon officials from Google, YouTube and Facebook. After grilling social media giant Twitter for violating the law of land in India, the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology is set to summon representatives from Google, YouTube and Facebook. Government slaps 148 notices on e-commerce firms in last 3 months. The centre has slapped as many as 148 notices on e-commerce players in the past 3 months for not complying with the mandatory display of country of origin tag on products sold. Of 148 notices, 56 have compounded and paid up around 34 lakh rupees. Spotify launches Greenroom App, its direct Clubhouse competitor. Spotify has launched its Clubhouse competitor, a new dedicated app called Greenroom, which focuses on live audio format. In March this year, Spotify had announced that it was acquiring Betty Labs, the creator of Locker Room, which brought live audio format into their ecosystem. Greenroom is the revamped version of the app. Spotify Greenroom will be available on iOS and Android in over 135 markets around the world.